Peoria, Arizona motorcycle repair. Sideshow cycles. Before we get into the topic here, let me explain. You can see here that my site is San Diego Custom Motorcycles.info. That's because I'm originally from San Diego and been out here in Arizona, actually in Peoria, for about 2.5 years now. And I've been riding custom bikes for over 40 years. So when I needed some work done, I asked some fellow bikers that I met in the area who they would recommend. And the number one recommended place was Sideshow Cycles. So I did a little video about it. So what'd you say? You're going
celebrating our 10-year anniversary January 1st. So
wow.
Sideshow Cycles been in 2013. So that was the day we established. This is a kickstand off my 36. Obviously, it's got 80-something years of wear. So I'm just going to fill that in so it holds in the kickstand spot better.
Right.
That's it. So, you know, after I weld up some old metal like this that doesn't have any paint or coating on it because over the years is gone, we just use some gun blue. You know, gun blue?
Yeah.
And it just cleans it up and makes it look like it's been there for a while, you know what I mean?
That's a great idea.
Yeah, so it just cleans it right up.
I use that gun glue stuff on my shotgun.
Well, yeah, and that's exactly what it's for, so now you can't really see it, you know? See if that does the trick.
Oh, is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, 1936 VLD flathead, 74-inch.
My first Harley, I started with the suicide shift.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about your little shop here? What type of bikes you work on?
Just work on
everything but big dogs. I want to know why.
Just Harley Davidson's, basically service, tires, oil, suspension, carbon fiber stuff, performance baggers, Olin suspension, you know, handlebars, lots of handlebars, and paint, full customs.
Do it all, huh?
Do it all. Design, parts, whatever.
Great.
Hey guys, this is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.